My name is Bryce Cartler. I'm the owner of BZK Custom Contracting. The job we're working on is spooky fast. Justin Johnson, the general manager of Harley of Scottsdale, approached me and asked if I'd be interested in a side project that they're working on. He brought me down to the space, said here's what we're doing, here's what we're going to be producing. So once work began, we start out on the concrete. The concrete then gets saw cut. We go through a 6-inch layer of existing flooring. We've got to remove it. We've got to pull that stuff out, and we've now got to dig out the dirt, put our rebar in, our foundation for this new mezzanine that we're putting in. Once that step is done, then we come back through and pour concrete. We had 43 yards of concrete that came in, got that to the point. Now we're even, basically starting point where the floor was finished before. The only thing different now is that there's rebar sticking up out of the concrete. Now at this point, Kent with Global Finishing and his team is coming in and building booths.
My name is Kent Kennedy. I'm in Spooky Fast Customs. We're setting up a custom motorcycle shop for doing custom painting. I'm with J. Russell Smith Industrial Sales. We help them pick out the equipment. We're going to be installing 2 side downdraft paint spray booths with heated air makeup systems on them. Those are provided by Global Finishing Equipment. We're going to have a paint mix room between them, a prep station, 2 Atlas Copco air compressors, a 50 horse and a 25 horse, powder coating equipment, ovens, blasting equipment for profiling the metal. The semis arrived today. We unloaded everything. Our crew's here ready to go.
So once the concrete gets set and the rebar's in, now we have to start building the walls. So we laid a couple courses of blocks, and at that point, once the walls are established, we bring the CNC machine. So we bring that machine from outside in and around to its final resting place, and then we essentially build the entire mezzanine around the CNC machine. So now the booths are done, the mezzanine is done. All we have left is the final touches, air lines, gas lines, hookups, and now we bring in the flooring. The flooring guys come in with massive grinders, grind off all the old existing concrete, the finishes, the oils, remove all of that. Come in, do a base coat, a primer coat, and a chip coat. And after that's in, then they do a clear coat. After that, we give it a 72-hour period for drying, and we can come back in, and it's usable floor now. Now that we're all done, everything's buttoned up, Spooky Fast can now come in and do what they do best.